The technology evaluation cell consists of two Kuka industrial robots, each with a maximum payload of 210 kilograms. The two robots move on a common 10-metre long linear axis, which enables them to work in the 10 by 3 metre area marked in white. Laser scanners, whose measuring range is shown in yellow, are available to enable humans and robots to work together in certain scenarios. It is therefore possible to work safely in the area shown in green. Laser fences, shown here in blue, are deployed instead of fixed protective fences. These allow excellent accessibility, even for structures with wide molds. The robots are equipped with Kuka's RoboTeam technology package, enabling their movements to be synchronized. This is particularly helpful when transporting very long components, such as aircraft stringers, or flexible parts, such as CFRP sections.